What if I told you that the solution to your joint pain might be hiding in your spice rack or right outside in your herb garden? Yes, I'm serious. Every day, thousands of people suffer from stiff knees, aching elbows, or throbbing fingers, and many turn to pills without ever exploring what nature has to offer. But you're about to learn something that could change the way you move, feel, and live, starting today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 powerful natural remedies that could support joint relief from the comfort of your home. These aren't just trendy ideas. They're rooted in research used by ancient healers and could work wonders for your body. Make sure to stick around until number 1. It's one of the most underestimated remedies in your kitchen, and it could be the key to unlocking better mobility and comfort. Sliding into the spotlight at number 7, turmeric. Yep, that bright yellow spice you've probably seen in your curry just might be your best friend when it comes to joint pain. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been shown in multiple studies to help reduce inflammation, the root cause of most joint pain. In fact, research from the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health suggests that curcumin may work similarly to some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but without the harsh side effects. Now, don't expect miracles from just one sprinkle. For best results, you'll want to take it daily, either in your food or as a supplement with black pepper, which boosts absorption. You can add it to your smoothies, soups, or make a comforting turmeric tea. The best part? It's affordable, accessible, and has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine. So, if you're tired of sore joints slowing you down, let turmeric show you its golden power. Hang tight. Number 6 is hiding in your backyard and could be the herbal relief you didn't know you needed. Coming in hot at number 6, it's ginger, and it's not just for cookies and stir-fry. This spicy root has powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that may help relieve joint discomfort. According to a 2014 study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism, ginger extract was shown to significantly reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis when taken regularly. That's big news for anyone who wants to manage pain naturally. You can chew raw ginger if you're bold, but most people prefer ginger tea, fresh ginger in meals, or even ginger capsules. It warms you from the inside and brings a calm to overworked, aching joints. Plus, it tastes amazing. Think of it as a natural, spicy hug for your joints. It gets the blood flowing and calms inflammation like a pro. Hold on to your seat. Number 5 is a wild one. You've probably used honey and cinnamon in your tea or on toast, but did you know this combo could support joint health? Honey is packed with antioxidants, and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce swelling and stiffness in the joints. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, cinnamon may inhibit certain molecules that contribute to chronic inflammation. Combine that with honey's immune-boosting and soothing effects, and you've got a deliciously natural remedy. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in warm water and drink it in the morning. Some people also apply a paste of the two directly to affected areas, though this works best with mild inflammation. This remedy won't replace a doctor, but it could reduce how often you need one. Before we get to number 4, take a second and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you're loving this journey into natural remedies, you won't want to miss what's coming next on Timeless Cures. And cruising into 4th place like a boss, Epsom salt soaks. Simple, relaxing, and surprisingly powerful. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, a mineral known to support muscle and joint relaxation. When you soak in it, your body absorbs the magnesium through your skin, which can help reduce inflammation and pain. Here's how to do it. Fill your tub with warm water, pour in 2 cups of Epsom salt, and soak for 15-20 minutes. That's it. You can even add essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus for an added therapeutic boost. It's like giving your joints a mini spa day, and who doesn't need that, especially after a long day or during a flare-up? This remedy is so simple, yet so deeply satisfying. Now we're heading into the top 3. And number 3 is a tropical surprise with juicy benefits you won't want to miss. Just missing the top 2, number 3 is a total game changer. Pineapple. Yes, that sweet, juicy fruit you crave in summer isn't just tasty. It contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, especially when it comes to joints. A review published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that bromelain can significantly reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis, making it a natural contender for pain relief. Now, here's the kicker. You don't have to eat a whole pineapple to get these benefits. You can enjoy a few slices a day or opt for a quality bromelain supplement if fresh pineapple isn't in season. Just make sure it's not canned in syrup. That stuff cancels out the goodness. Pineapple doesn't just soothe your joints. It hydrates you, nourishes your skin, and supports digestion too. It's basically a wellness cocktail in fruit form. And every bite feels like a tiny tropical vacation, which, let's be honest, is also a stress reliever. Number 2 is a cooling warrior you've probably walked past 100 times without realizing what it could do for your aching joints. Stick with me. Kicking off the podium placements, number 2 is no joke, aloe vera. We all know aloe as the go-to for sunburns, but did you know it could help with joint inflammation too? Aloe contains compounds like aloin and imodin, which have been shown in lab studies to reduce inflammatory responses. According to Phytomedicine, International Journal of Phytotherapy and Phytopharmacology, aloe vera exhibits strong anti-inflammatory activity when taken internally or applied topically. You can drink aloe vera juice. Just make sure it's safe for internal use and doesn't contain added sugars or laxatives. Or rub aloe gel directly on swollen or painful joints. Either way, it brings a soothing, cooling relief that feels like your joints are exhaling in peace. Imagine a balm that not only eases pain, but hydrates your skin, soothes your gut, and helps your whole body chill. That's aloe vera. Coming in at number 1 is one of the most overlooked superstars for joint pain. Most people have it in their kitchen and have no idea how powerful it really is. Ready? The third spot goes to a heavy hitter you won't believe. It's not gold, not silver, but number 1 takes the crown, apple cider vinegar. This sharp-tasting kitchen staple may help ease joint pain by supporting detoxification and reducing the buildup of uric acid in your joints. According to several natural health practitioners and holistic nutritionists, apple cider vinegar's alkalizing effect may reduce stiffness and support joint health, especially when taken regularly. How do you use it? Easy. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water and sip it before meals, up to twice a day. Some even rub diluted vinegar directly onto the affected area for temporary relief, though always test for skin sensitivity first. This remedy's got that old-school grandma cure vibe, but sometimes grandma knew best. Over time, regular use of apple cider vinegar may support both joint function and digestive health, which are more connected than you think. Let's bring it all home in the conclusion, with a recap and a next step you won't want to miss. So, we've just walked through 7 powerful natural remedies, each one backed by traditional wisdom, some by science, and all of them by real people who've tried and experienced their benefits. From turmeric's golden touch to the sweet surprise of honey and cinnamon and the detox power of apple cider vinegar, you now have a toolkit of natural options you can start using today. No need to wait for a prescription. No need to suffer in silence. Relief may be as close as your kitchen shelf or local grocery store. Of course, always check with your doctor before starting any new remedy, especially if you're on medication. But don't underestimate what nature, consistency, and small changes can do over time. If this video helped you, or even made you smile, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Timeless Cures, and share this with someone who might need natural joint support too. Your next step could be the one that finally brings relief. See you in the next video, where we uncover another powerful secret for your body, mind, and spirit. Stay well, friend.